Today I'm here to share with you my YouTube story.
PewDiePie's wife Marzia opened up about her insecurities on Instagram, revealing the right side of her face that she says she was ashamed of.
I didn't know how to address these.
Marzia is famous in her own right, amassing more than 7 million YouTube subscribers before she stepped away from her channel last year. But many of her fans may not have noticed that she was hiding something. She never shows the right side of her face to the camera, and she often styles her long hair to cover it. In an Instagram post, she revealed that she's been insecure about that side of her face, writing, "My face is so asymmetrical, I always found it embarrassing. When I started making videos, I found out my favorite angles and stuck with what I liked best ever since. However, it is exhausting, silly, and simply put, superficial. So here I am trying to embrace the side of my face I was never fond of. It took me way too long to be comfortable to share this. Here is my attempt to being more comfortable in my own skin from now on." Even though Marzia doesn't post to YouTube anymore, she still keeps up her Instagram account with millions of adoring fans. And at least now she may feel a little less burdened by the perfect camera angle. For InsideEdition.com, I'm Mara Montalbano.